Hi guys, in this video I'm going to share with you how you can block Adobe Acrobat internet connection. So first step, you simply need to search for the control panel, open that, and here you need to search for Window Defender Firewall. Click here and then you need to click on advanced settings. So once you are in advanced settings, you simply need to select inbound rules, click on new rule and select program. Click on next again, and here you can see this program path. So click on browse, select local disk C, program files, Adobe. So you need to find the Adobe Acrobat. So in here you can see Adobe Acrobat. So click on here and you need to find the file adobe.exe, this one. Here you can see, click on open. Then you need to click on next again, and here you can see allow the connection. You simply need to select block the connection, click on next again, select all, click on next again, add the name. So I'm going to add Adobe, and here you, if you want, you can add description and click on finish. And then you need to do the same process with the outbound rules as well, and add the same process here also. So this is the process that you need to follow. I hope you like this video. Thank you. Have a good day.